What's up guys, welcome back to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Reskin. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a Google Play developer account to upload your apps in Play Store. Welcome back. So first of all, you head on to Google search and type in Google Publisher. The first search, which is Google Play Console. Alternatively, you can check the links below the video. You'll find all the links. A new window will appear and ask you to sign in with the same Gmail that you are using if you are signed in. If you are not, then just log in into your Gmail, then check the link again. Here we are logged in and you will be given the option, and consequently this developer account will be linked to this Gmail. If you want to change the account or the Gmail, you just click on create a new one or sign in with a different account. Scroll down to the bottom. So before we continue, you need to accept the agreements to the service, to the Google Play Developer Distribution Agreement. So all you need to do is to check this box. Next, you need to review the distribution countries, if your country is listed or not, and the last one is the credit card. So make sure you have credit card handy. Pay the $25 registration fee. You can read the Google Play Developer Distribution terms of using the service to have a broader idea about the service. As we said, next you need to review distribution countries. Just click on learn more. Here you will find the supported locations for distribution to Google Play users, where users can download apps or pay for apps, get in-apps purchases. In the next step, you need to make sure that you have a credit card in which you have $25 to pay the fee. Make sure that you have checked the accept box and proceed to continue to payment. Good. A new window will appear and ask you about to complete your purchase. Here you can enter your credit card. They accept different cards, whether Visa or MasterCards, Discover, and other cards. So what you need to do here is to insert your card number, next the expiry date, and the card holder, and at the end your billing address. Just fill in all the information which are required. We'll fill in all the information and turn back to you when welcome back. So as you can see here, we have proceeded into the payments and our payment is complete, and we will be receiving the recipe and redirected to complete your account and fill in your profile details. So first of all, you just complete the following details, which can be changed later. So they are the profile or developer profile details: your name, email address, website, phone, developer account, ID. Here we have at the bottom we have the email preferences. If you would like to get new feature announcements and tips to help improve your apps. The second one, I would like to give feedback to help improve Google Play Console. It is recommended to check the first one. Next, you proceed to complete the registration. Good. Your account is ready now. As you can see, it has opened the dashboard and the console, the Google Play Console. Here we need to accept the terms of service. Always check the bells in order to get the notification, which could be important in certain cases to your account. Next, you can start uploading your apps. As you can see here, our developer account is still fresh, no apps in yet. So if we return back to our dashboard, here we could find the order management and set up merchant account. Always check the help section or the support section if you have any questions or there is something which is not clear enough. So you'll find all the help guide within this portal. Just type in your issue or your problem and next you search for it. Let's set up a merchant account. your information will be uploaded by default. All you need to do is just can allocate a business name. Next, fill in your website address if you have one. Select the type or category of your website, what you sell, and the support email. If you could not find what you sell on the list, then just select other and proceed. Next, you fill in with your email, and at last the credit card statement name, and at last submit. Wait a few seconds, and voila, merchant sign up. Your Google Payments merchant account is approved. Now you can sell applications in Google Play. So that's the platform with which we will be selling in-apps purchases.
www.raqmedia.com.
Now if you turn back to all applications, as you can see here, there are no applications, so still a fresh account. You can add our first application by clicking on add your first application or create application at the top. That's what we'll be dealing with in the coming tutorial. Show you how to upload your first application into Google Play Store. The Google Play Game Services let you add gaming features to your games on Android, as users can view leaderboards to compare their scores with others, unlock achievements, and synchronize their game progress across their devices. So this is very useful if you are uploading games and competitions, so to be used across all the devices of the users. If we take a sample game, as you can see here, we have the analytics and the dashboard. Hope that was helpful. Till next tutorial, this is your host Izzeddin. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower, and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com